if you are new in this channel, Kidasamura Rwanda TV, subscribe, like, and I would like you to like and subscribe and do everything well. So hit the post notification, ring that big bell, and I hope you guys are okay and you will have good luck. Bye.